302 till 12th standard for both state and central syllabus like IAS, KPS, SAT, DRE, GMAT, etc. and also all competitive examinations.
Here, 3 digit by 3 digit multiplication. 103 into 104. You can do it in few seconds. 103 plus 4 is 107. 3 4s are 12. This is the speed of 8 into 42. 2 digit by 2 digit. You can see one similarity. The tens place is equal to 4 and the units place, the sum is equal to 10. In such occasions, take the next number of 4, 5. 4 5s are 20, 8 2s are. Squaring, you can see 5 in the units place with square, that is 85 squared. Take the next number of 8, that is 9. 8 9s are and 5 5s are. This is the beauty of speed maths.
It is very useful for the students community. We can save a lot of time and concentrate on other problems during the examinations. We can not only use this for point of our examination, but we also use this techniques for the for future career. That is what
ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಗಣಿತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದ ಕಡಲೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅಂತಾರ. ಆದರೆ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗು ಬಹಳ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತವಾಗಿದೆ. ಅತಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅವಧಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗುರುಗಳು ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ರು.